This week, Ariel's Easy Food Recipes presents how to make the perfect microwave cookies. First, you're going to melt 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Now you're going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Next, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you're going to want to stir the mixture until it's smooth. Mine's not exactly smooth, but you get the point. Next, you're going to add an egg yolk. And then you're going to stir the mixture until it's smooth. Next, you're going to add in 5 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon at a time, stirring in between each tablespoon. The cookie dough should look like this. Now you're going to add 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips, stirring with your hands or a spatula. Once you're done this step, you're going to roll them into balls and put them on a plate. Now you're going to microwave them for 45 seconds to a minute. And you're done. Enjoy your cookies.